Alex Tumang here. They've got the firepower to make a comeback here. Yeah, it's been quiet all game long. Just as I say that. Against his dad's idol for sure. Oh. The first team, PBA Moldova at the line shooting one. James Senson, member of the Grand Slam team. If my count is right, he's got 45 points already. I could be wrong. We will get our official stat shortly here. Simon has the basketball again. Will he go for 15 tonight? Senson tries darnest best. Oh, defense there for James Senson. JC Ital says the set up. Simon completes the 3-point or the 4-point play. He has 41 big points now. Senson for three. Good answer for James Senson there. The scoreboard to please move a bit so we can set the scoreboard. Thank you. Go back to the ball game here. Corner three for James Senson. Nothing there. Hilterbrand shouting the play here. They go to the target against Calgary's own Rocket R.A. Dural. Intal gets it. Intal picks up his dribble. Pass. Stolen. And Senson is all on the other side. Senson misses. And there's so everyone and he eats up his own mess. So, Alex Tumang throwing first blood here in the second half.